Well, sir, I have the last task to propose the vote of thanks. It's a long list, but I would cut short and be fast, precisely because the patron, Professor Mongekar, has to leave immediately. This function or this ICL would have not born had Professor Mongekar not encouraged me. He said that he met me 13 times. At each time when I met him, we had a very fruitful discussions, very fruitful discussions from length to breadth, whether it is a financial logistics, physical infrastructure, financial logistics, or the content creation. I am extremely grateful to Professor Mongekar for his all-out support to this particular cause. My Vice Chancellor, Professor Deepak Pintel, a conference chair, has always been. Yesterday only he was asking that how the things are going on, and I am listening a lot of good things from different people. And I am sure that I have not in any way missed that opportunity of giving him the best as far as the international conference is concerned. I am extremely grateful to my Vice Chancellor to have posed a confidence on me and proposed that we should go ahead with the program. My Pro-Vice Chancellor and Chairman of the governing body of Delhi University Library System, when I proposed before the governing body, I know that he said that this is a part of the academic activities. And that was the beginning. And when he said that it is a part of the academic activities, I immediately grabbed the whole opportunity that yes, within the university environment, this kind of an academic opportunity should be exploited and explored. I am extremely grateful to Professor Tandon for his gracious approach. Other officials who have been always encouraging me in this pursuit, the Dean Colleges, Professor Nainjot Lahiri, the Dean Planning, Professor Sunija, our Registrar and the Finance Officer, the Proctor. You might have seen yesterday also Professor Gurmeet Singh here. Every day he used to make a visit here and see that the things are in operation. I am extremely grateful to Director of School of Open Learning who has given this opportunity to open the internet facility here in the conference center. Deans of the various faculties, especially some of the very important deans, and Professor J.K. Mitra or Professor Ruplal, they have been extremely helpful for me in formulating and working out the logistics, etc. Director DU Computer Center, the university engineer, the coordinator of the University Conference Center, again, Dr. J.K. Mitra, and other senior officials of the university. I am extremely grateful to Honorable Vice Chancellor of University of Hyderabad and Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor to have accepted the baton to take the torch of the ICL 2009 and 2011. The distinguished Vice Chancellor, I am grateful to distinguished Vice Chancellors and other panelists of various panel discussions. I am extremely grateful to my distinguished keynote speakers, the paper contributors who have presented their papers, the coordinators, conveners, and the members of the satellite group meeting, members of the organizing committee, members of the international organizing committee, the program director. I don't know how do I express my words as far as the program director, Dr. Dhawan, is concerned. All in all, he has been with me on this venture. Members of the National Organizing Committee, including the chairman of the National Organizing Committee and the local organizing committee. Give a big hand to my local organizing committee. I'm extremely grateful to the University Grants Commission, who has given a massive fund to organize this function. The Department of Information Technology, InflibNet, and Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation. UNESCO and Goethe Institute has sponsored the esteemed international delegates. There are number of sponsors who have sponsored this event, from Elsevier, Sage, Wiley, Emerald, EBSCO, NetSpider, CNA, Taylor and Francis, Informatics, Springer, Nature. I'm extremely grateful to my another friend, Mr. Sunil Dutt, and Mr. Devendra. Devendra is here, I suppose. Devendra. Devendra and Sunil Dutt is the publication in charge of the entire publication, who has spent the complete nights of 6 days with me to work out the complete document, which was launched on 5th of October. The Mittal publication is the official sponsor of the pre-conference volume. We are grateful to them. My printers, Setia Printers, who has relentlessly come out with the souvenir and the newsletter which you have been noticing, were submitted to him at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the night, and he has given us by morning, by 10 o'clock it was with us. I am extremely grateful to Setia Printers. I am extremely grateful to international experts, the national experts, the conference delegates, the students of library information science. Raise a big hand. My gratefulness to Dr. Ellen Tisey, who has accepted my invitation to be here. And I am told by my senior officers that he has said that the 4 days have been given to Majumdar. I am extremely grateful for these kind of words that you have expressed. I am grateful to my senior officials of the library system, the staff of the library system. They have relentlessly worked with me, the volunteers, the staff of the conference center, There are a number of staff who are working in the conference center, and they have all and out supported this particular cause. And last but not the least, the event manager. She is standing there, Mrs. Kapoor. And the caterer, Mr. Manchanda. Mr. Manchanda, the person who has provided you, I am sure that you have taken very qualitative food. The food was very qualitative. I have received a lot of good remarks about the food, quality of the food. With these words, may I request you to join on a high tea, which is available to you.